In this video, we're taking a look at a quick move-in by Mattamy Homes. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I'm out here in the RiverTown community. Today we're going to be taking a look at this quick move-in by Mattamy Homes. This is the Asther floor plan. This floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a 3-car garage, and also has approximately 2,880 square feet. Over here you're going to have your 2-car garage, and then you have a 1-car garage over here. And this home is in the Arbors neighborhood within RiverTown. This is phase 3 of the Arbors, also known as Arbors West. This is the coastal elevation. So you have nice brick there, and then you're gonna have cemento siding everywhere else. The nice thing about having a 3rd-car garage like this is that you have room for storage and also your golf cart. All right, let's go take a look inside. All right, so here we walk up to the entry door, which is 8 feet. You have glass. All right, so you have nice open space here in the Asther. This is the entry. You have a tray ceiling there. Now these are pretty high ceilings. Now the Asther is part of the Premier series. You're gonna have as standard 10-foot ceilings and 8-foot doorways throughout the house. But here I see that they've bumped up the ceilings to, I wanna say 12 feet at least. And you're gonna have tray ceiling in the dining here as well. You have tile floor. Now we're gonna start our tour over here to the right. Here you have a coat closet. Now this home is estimated for completion February, March. And we have the laundry room here. You have the gas hookup for the dryer, and then the outlet there for the electric dryer, your washer. This is the panel for your internet. Then here we have the 1st bedroom. Here's the closet. You have carpet, and you're gonna find the window treatments throughout the home. Here we have a shared bath, a Jack and Jill, double vanity with quartz countertops, tile, and your shower tub combo. Here we walk into another bedroom. You're gonna notice some writing on the wall. This is the drywall bump out. In the Premier series, you have smooth walls as standard. So they're bumping out the drywall so we can have nice smooth walls. Here's the closet. And then you're gonna have 2 mechanical rooms here. This home has 2 condenser units, 2 HVACs. All right, and straight ahead we have the dining room. All right, and then over here, right behind me, we have coffered ceilings. It's a very nice feature. So you're bumping up the ceiling to about 13 and then 14 feet with the coffered ceilings. You have your sliders over here, giving you a great view to the preserve. Before we take a look at the kitchen, wanted to take a look at the space over here. This is the 4th bedroom. On the Asther floor plan, standard is a flex room. The 4th bedroom structural option was chosen for this house. You have the closet over here. And then also standard in the Asther is a powder room here, but a full bath was chosen as a structural option for this house. You have your shower tub combo. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen here. So you have a nice large island, and then they've skinned the all around the island, so you have the cabinetry instead of drywall. You have your stacked cabinets, gourmet kitchen layout. You have your backsplash. And then here you have your butler's pantry with more cabinetry. And you have space for a second fridge. And then you have your pantry here. So very large kitchen with lots of cabinetry in the Asther floor plan. Here you have your 36-inch 5-burner cooktop with your designer vent. And this is the view overlooking the living room. And we have, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3 pendant lights there. So we're missing 2. Those will be installed. Here you have a breakfast nook with sliders here as well. And then you have a sort of pocket office here. And before we take a look at the master bedroom, we're gonna take a look at the backyard and this lanai here. So you have a large lanai. Now this house does sit on an 80-foot home site, and he backs up to nice preserve. This is the back of the house. And that's gonna be your master bedroom. So the nice thing is that you have your condenser units on the opposite side, and you won't have it behind or just outside of your master bedroom. Looks like they did some siding repair there, but all the paint color is going to match. All right, so here we see some more tape. They're going to bump out the drywall. Here we have a very spacious room. You have carpet. You have a nice view to the preserve. And here we walk into the master bath. Now you have 2 vanities here, your garden tub. You have your walk-in shower. There's your water closet. And then here we have the walk-in closet for the master bedroom. All right, so the last stop we have is the stop and drop and the 2-car garage. We already saw the 1-car garage. Take a peek at this 2-car garage. So you have your space here for your water softener, and then you have some space here for storage. So plenty of room in this Asther floor plan. All right, be sure to check out my RiverTown playlist here on my YouTube channel, where I feature videos on the RiverTown community. Now, if you're thinking about moving to RiverTown, the St. Johns County area, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. My name is Charlie Flores, your local St. Johns County Realtor. I hope you enjoyed the video.